In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add an event block in Klaviyo. Whether you're setting up an abandoned cart reminder or an order confirmation email, adding dynamic content can really enhance your communication with your customers. Let's dive right in and explore how to make your emails more personalized and effective. First, you'll want to open an email draft that's part of an event-triggered flow. This could be something like an abandoned cart sequence or an order confirmation email. These types of emails are great for this task because they're already set up to send based on specific customer actions. By enhancing them with dynamic content, you ensure that each recipient gets information that is directly relevant to their interaction with your store, making your emails not just reminders, but personalized experiences. Next, look to the left sidebar panel in your Klaviyo email editor. Here, you'll find a variety of blocks that you can drag and drop to customize your email. The one we're interested in is the table block. Click and drag this block onto your email layout canvas. The table block is essential because it's designed to display a collection of items or data dynamically, which is exactly what we need for event-triggered emails. Once you've placed the table block into your email, click on it to see its settings in the left panel. You'll notice that by default, the setting is on static. This means that the content would remain the same for all recipients, which isn't what we want in this context. Instead, toggle the setting from static to dynamic. This simple change is crucial because it allows the table to pull in specific data related to each individual recipient's event. It's what enables that level of personalization that can make your emails stand out. With the table block set to dynamic, it's time to specify what data it should display. You'll do this by entering your event variables into the row collection and data source alias fields. If you're working with a Shopify abandoned cart flow, a common setup is to use event items for the row collection and item for the data source alias. What this does is tell Klaviyo to look at the items associated with the event, in this case, the items left in the cart, and display them in your email. The row collection is essentially the list of items, and the data source alias acts like a shorthand that your email can use to refer to each item individually. By following these steps, you're setting up your email to dynamically pull in and display data that's specific to each recipient's interaction with your store. This specificity can greatly increase engagement and conversion rates as customers see their actual shopping cart or order details in your emails. And that's it. You've now successfully added an event block in Klaviyo, transforming a standard email into a dynamic and personalized message. Remember, the key here is personalization. The more relevant you make your communications, the more likely your customers are to engage with them. Thanks for watching this quick guide on adding an event block in Klaviyo. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your email marketing strategies.